Okay, this is the third example from insolubility, right? Then liquefaction, then liquefaction, liquefaction, right? It means the solid become liquid after come in contact with temperature and humidity, right? Means that particular solid become converted into liquid form. This solid form converted into liquid form after come in contact with temperature or humidity. Either it is increased temperature or decreased temperature, whether decrease humidity or increase humidity, right? Means whenever the that so a particular solid come in contact with temperature or humidity, that time the solid transfer into liquid form, right? That is the liquefaction. This is the liquefaction. Okay, this is the liquefaction. Then first of all, you should know the meaning of eutectic mixture. That is eutectic mixture. That is eutectic mixture. So let's see. It is a result of mixing two. It is a mix result of mixing two low melting point solid together. Will get a liquid or soft mass. Okay, means when we mix two lower melting point solids, right, that time we will get a either liquid or soft mass of that particular mixture, right? मतलब अगर दो लोअर मेल्टिंग पॉइंट वाले सोलूट को अगर हम मिक्स करते हैं, तब जाकर हमें एक तो लिक्विड या फिर सॉफ्ट मास हमें मिलेगा. दैट इज दैट कंडीशन को बोला जाता है यूटेक्टिक मिक्सचर. यूटेक्टिक मिक्सचर. It is happened due to lowering the melting point of mixture to below room temperature, right? और ये होता क्यों है? The reason of obtaining the liquid and soft mass is due to the lowering the melting point of mixture. Okay, because lowering the melting point of mixture below room temperature. The normal room temperature is 25 degrees centigrade. If we minimize the or decrease the room temperature of or low melting point of that eutectic mixture, then we will get a liquid or soft mass. This process is called as a liquefaction, right? This can be stable at room temperature or normal humidity, but this compound will release their water under increasing temperature or decreasing humidity, right? Means this eutectic mixture, right, means if we mix the lower melting point solid together, then we will get a liquid or soft mass. And the reason of this is the lowering the melting point of mixture below room temperature. If we lowering the melting point of that mixture below room temperature, below 25 degrees centigrade, that time there is a liquid or formation of liquid or soft mass. This can be stable at room temperature. Okay, this eutectic mixture are stable at room temperature and normal humidity, right? But this compound will release their water. This compound will release their water under increasing temperature or decreasing humidity. If we place the eutectic mixture into eutectic substance or lower melting point substance into a increasing temperature, that time also that particular substance or mixture release the water, or either place in decreasing humidity, that time also that particular mixture release the water. Okay, this is the process that is called as liquefaction. This is happening with our drug also, right? Let we see the example, right? For example, camphor, menthol, phenol, aspirin, these are the substance. If we place in increasing temperature, it will release their water, right? Like aspirin also, then phenol. If we place this phenol in increasing temperature, that time phenol will release the water, that is solid converted into liquid or become soft mass. Okay, also if we keep this phenol in decreasing humidity condition, that time also the phenol become liquefy or soft mass, right? This type of example create a problem when dispensing in powder form, right? That is dosage form. If we have to dispense this camphor in powder form, that time there is a happening this kind of physical incompatibility, means there is a change in appearance, right? Means solid dosage form become liquid. That's why this has become very critical of prescribing or dispensing camphor, menthol, phenol into a powder form. Okay, but there is some solutions for preventing the liquefaction of this kind of products if we have to dispense it, right? Which are they? That is the first solution. Camphor, we can, if we can dispense camphor in powder form, that time we use this kind of method. That is, first method is triturate together to form a liquid. Means uh, this substance triturate or mix up to it forms a liquid, and add a light magnesium carbonate. This is the example of absorbent material, light magnesium carbonate, and another also light kaolin. Okay, these are the example of some absorbent. If we need to dispense this type of substance in powder form, that time we have to add liquid magnesium carbonate, or light magnesium carbonate or light kaolin, in order to get a free flowing powder, right? Otherwise also we have used this method. That is, first of all, individually substance powdered individual substance powder separately and mix with absorbent lightly. Okay, means first of all we need this substance, make a powdered separately, and after that mix with a adsorbent like light kaolin or light magnesium carbonate, in order to, if we have to dispense this example in powder form, right? These are the correction method for this kind of substance, right? Then our this all about of physical incompatibilities, right? Okay, then our next point is, or next topic is, chemical incompatibilities, right? Chemical incompatibilities, it is a, so first of all let's begin with a definition. It is a result of chemical interaction between ingredient of preparation and may form toxic or inactive preparation. Hence during prescription care should be taken to prevent the formation of harmful product, right? So chemical incompatibility means, in chemical incompatibility there is a chemical interaction happen between ingredient of preparation. For making a preparation, various type of ingredient we used, right? That's why there is a chances of happening interaction, chemical interaction between this ingredient, right? Between this ingredient, if interaction, chemical interaction happen between ingredient of preparation, there may be chances of formation of toxic or inactive preparation, right? Means whatever we get, it may has a toxic or inactive effect, right? Due to this there is a necessary to take a care, right? Hence this during prescribing the prescription, care should be taken to prevent the this kind of harmful preventing the getting this kind of harmful product, right? If chemical interaction happening in preparation, that time we will get a toxic or inactive preparation, right? This is the meaning of incompatibility, chemical incompatibility, right? Then this is the some reason, right? Reason of chemical incompatibility, that is oxidation, reduction, or acid base hydrolysis, or combination reaction. Okay, these are the three reasons. Due to this there is a much chances of occurring chemical interaction between ingredient. Okay, that is chemical incompatibility. That's why we may chances of getting toxic or inactive preparation. Okay, this is the reason, as like or physical incompatibility. Then we can notice this reaction by means there is one question arising, if physical incompatibility is happening, right? We can easily noticed by seeing its appearance, odor and taste, right? But in case chemical incompatibilities, how there is a challenging, right? There is a challenge, that is how we can notice the chemical incompatibility, right? So there is some points we can notice this reaction by. Okay, means chemical, we can notice chemical reaction by this point, that is precipitation, effervescence, decomposition or color changes, right? If these changes or this matter happen with our dosage form or preparation, that time we can consider that particular preparation has a chemical incompatibility, right? Or chemical interaction happening, right? If we notice this kind of reaction, that is precipitation means formation of precipitate or turbid appearance, right? Effervescence means removal of carbon dioxide, bubbles of carbon dioxide. If carbon dioxide removed from our preparation, that time we consider that is that particular substance, or sorry, particular dosage form falls under chemical incompatibility, right? Or decompositions, there is a degradations of some medicament or excipients, right? Or change in color, if color may change, that time also we consider, that is